Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to close Citizen Bank account. Okay, so I want to tell you that there is only one method by which you can close your Citizen Bank, that is via calling method. This is the easiest and the simple method by which you can cancel your Citizen Bank account. So as you can see, you need to dial this number. Okay, so this is the number, and hopefully you will see now video how do I close my account. So you can see over here you can close your account online by calling, like you need to dial this number, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to close your account, and they will guide you each and every step, and they will tell you in what time frame your account will close and all. So they will guide you each and every step. Okay, so you need to dial this number, and once you get connected you can tell them, and you can also read this note. Upon account closure, you will receive all interest accrued through the day before your account is closed. If you are going to close your online CD within 10 days grace period, you will receive interest on through maturity. Okay, so this is the statement, and this is the method by which you can easily close your Citizen Bank account. Okay, so hopefully you like this video. This video will helpful for you. If yes, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.